The goals for the Ram 1500 TRX suspension were no holds barred, absolutely flat out desert performance to be the best production truck on the market. We learned early on in that really travel was king. 13 inches of front suspension travel, 14 inches of rear. One of the very unique packaging challenges was coming up with a spring that fit against our pickup box, which has to maintain the standard Ram 1500 cargo volume, but also uptight against these massive Goodyear tires. Put us into a really tight box for that spring. A lot of engineering man hours went into packaging and making a spring like that. We found 2 suppliers in the world capable of making it. One of them we got into business with in order to make a 23.6 inch tall spring at free length. Absolutely massive. The suspension is an independent front suspension and a 5-link coil suspension in the rear. It's controlled by built-in adaptive damping. We've got many modes to control it, but again, the goal here is maximum off-road performance, but also giving the customer options on-road, both an all-around comfort mode setting in the auto mode, and also an aggressive sport setting that definitely ties the vehicle down. And then again, in the Baja mode, we've got a suspension that really allows the vehicle to relax, uses all of that suspension travel, allows different vehicle attitudes, but also allows you to put down the power and keeps your kidneys nice and happy while you're blasting across the desert. The thing about the system is there are no trade-offs. We can adjust constantly to anything that we are seeing, whether it be the accelerometer inputs or the wheel position, in order to either tie the vehicle down if you've chosen sport mode or free it up if you've chosen Baja mode. There is nothing more telling than being able to idle up the steepest, sandiest, lowest traction grade that you can find, truly pull up to the very bottom of it and just hammer down and cruise up it as if there were no incline at all. The truck really does magical things like that. It just can't be beat.